Lily with the dog.
Good dog. I'm watching you. There she is.
Say hello to all of your fans.
Yep, all your fans.
That's really funny listening to that in the background.
We got a video going in the background here.
She's got some hands in here.
There she is. She just had a big old feed.
She's doing a very
She's
good
all
job.
up and about doing stuff.
This is what we do.
Yep.
Oh, we wobble around a little. That's about it.
That's pretty much what happens, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay then.
But we need to get longer videos on too.
There's the dog chewing up the count. Don't chew up the count. Leave it.
Here I am, just hanging around, trying to be cute. In my way too big newborn outfit. I'm a lot smaller than I thought I'd be. Oh! Wait, another one? Gesundheit.
Scout.
She's got to check up. She wants to make sure everything's okay.
Easy dog.
Which means it's come 2s now instead of 3s. Oh.
Yep. There we are. That's us with the baby.
Messy? With everything hanging out?
Got your boob hanging out?